A chameleon so tiny it can perch on the tip of your finger? Meet the Brookiesianana, the world's smallest reptile, no bigger than a sunflower seed. Discovered in Madagascar, this miniature marvel measures just under an inch, showcasing nature's ability to craft life on a remarkably delicate scale. Imagine a creature with all the same intricate features of its larger chameleon cousins, those iconic swiveling eyes and a prehensile tail, but in a form so small it could hide behind a raindrop. Scientists are baffled by its minute size, wondering how such a tiny being survives in the wild. Yet, this little chameleon is a testament to evolution's ingenuity, thriving in the leaf litter of its forest home. As we uncover more about this incredible creature, it challenges our understanding of biodiversity and reminds us of the hidden wonders still waiting to be discovered in the natural world.